Do you know that you can have full control over any list? I'm gonna show you how. We have a list of fruits here. Firstly, you have to understand the index numbers of these elements. As you can see, when you want to call any of them, you have to know their numbers in list. They start from 0, so just be careful when slicing. Also, they have second number to call them. These numbers are the negative ones. We will use all of them. For a basic but enough usage, I will show all of the slicing list functions in 6 ways. In first way, for example, you want this list to start from banana, you just write the index of banana and a colon. Also, if you want it to end at strawberry, just put a colon first and write one more of the index of strawberry. Do not forget that slice doesn't include the last number directly. To make it included, just add one more to your last number. In second way, I want to show you that you can do all of the slicing stuff with negative indexes of them. To make the same lists with previous one, if we replace the positive numbers with negative ones, we will get the results same. In third way, if you want to print list in reverse like that, you can just put 2 colon and write -1 like that, and it is done. In fourth way, if you want to print a specific part of the list, you can just use 2 indexes to specify it. To get the list from banana to grape, you can just write their indexes in order and put a colon between them. In fifth way, you can skip a certain number of items in a slice list. Well, for example, you have a list of numbers from 1 to 20 and you want just even numbers. If you specify your skipping value in third place, here you have a even numbers list. In last way, you can select all of the items in the list by putting a single colon like that. If you wonder how you will use that, basically if you want to create another list with all of the items same, that way would be the easiest one. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, leave a like.